Hello, everyone. Just a quick one before we start our day, irrespective of where you are streaming this video for. This is a piece of advice, and I want you to listen very, very carefully. Don't sleep on it. So, whatever decision you take in financial markets, whatever decision you want to make, you are thinking of taking a decision in the financial market, or once you approach the financial market, always make sure your capital is protected. When I mean protected, guard your capital with all your heart.
Do you know the reason why I say you should guard your capital? This is the reason. There's a different psychological damage that occurs or happens to a trader when that trader loses his capital compared to a normal day-to-day loss, which is very different. There's the psychological damage it does to you as a trader. It's very different. So in order to protect your capital, don't revenge trade. 1, don't overtrade. 2, always follow your trading plan. 3, lastly, stick to your edge. When I mean your edge, stick to your edge 100%. Trading is not a get quick rich scheme. It is a business, and it should be treated as one. It will only get better and better when you put your mind, your heart, and everything into it consistently. It will get better.
And lastly, it is better to take a loss and protect your capital for another trade, for another day, not having capital to take a trade that is supposed to bless your whole month and probably change your world and your year. They say a word is enough for the wise. My name is Promise Peters, and this is the Ritis Effect. Stay tuned. For more videos like this, you know what to do. Like, share, and follow us on all our social media platforms so you get episode of all our videos as they drop. Thank you, and God bless.